Hello. So today we will talk about Python scripts. You let's say you want to write a small script. For example, here we have a very small script. We start by printing out this is my first script, and we uh, we have a variable a, and then we make a new variable y and multiply a by 3, and then we print out y and another print command. I mean, if you execute this code cell, you get the output. But let's say you want to put that into a file. Here we have a file. We can just copy and paste this in this file. This file is called my first program. If you want to run this on your shell, you just say Python my first program, and it will do that. But let's say you want to make this file executable file, then you have to add an additional line, which is the following. Save it, and now we have to make my first program.py executable. Change mod u plus x, and now it is an executable, and we can directly execute it like a program. Okay, so you can work with files and scripts and invoke them by writing Python and then your script, or by adding here this first line. You can change it to an executable and then just invoke it with the name of the file. This dot actually means look in this directory for this file. And of course, we can also work in a Jupyter notebook, right? So have fun coding, and see you next time. Catch.